got Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. I think this is a moonstone version. So let's unbox it and see what we have got. Nice little small box. Okay, phone looks pretty good, solid, nice and shiny. I like this color. Very sleek design. Type-C charger. Okay, just got two buttons here, volume and power. Nothing in this side. I got SIM at the top, another microphone, two speakers at the bottom. Yeah, I like this pretty much. Design wise, feels good in your hand, and yeah, this is, the camera is a bit up, but still looks very firm and nice in your hand. Let's turn on and see. Okay. So got two options here. You can either pair with your already got Android phone or iPhone or iPad, which is a good option. Set up offline, connecting to Wi-Fi. I'm just trying to skip everything just to okay. Guys, I'll try and set this phone up, and I'll try to show you all the features. I just wanted to show you how this phone looks like when it comes out from the box. Hope you liked it. Hope you like the color of this moonstone thing. I love this color. It looks very firm. It looks very nice, and yeah, it's a bit glossy, but I liked it. I like this color. I don't know why, but yeah, camera looks pretty good as well. Yeah, so yeah. Alright guys, thank you. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Bye for now.